How to import private key in Metamask. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can import private key in Metamask. To import a private key into Metamask, first of all, you will need to open your Metamask application on your mobile device and make sure you have access to your Metamask account. Once doing that, you will land on this page. Once you reach to this page, here you need to tap on the account on the very top, and then here you will find add account or hardware wallet. Tap on this button at the bottom, and then there you will be presented with three different options. Tap on this import account option in the middle. Once you tap on it, now here you will find the box where you can enter or paste the private key string. Here you need to paste your private key. Also, you have a QR code. You can tap on this scan a QR code at the bottom, and then you can scan it to import it. If not, you can enter the private key in this box. After entering the private key, now you can tap on this import button at the very bottom, and after that you will be presented with the accounts, and once imported, the new account will appear in the list of your accounts in Metamask. Then you can switch between your original account and the newly imported one by clicking on the account name. So by following these steps, you can import private key in Metamask. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.